Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. Okay, in our previous class, we have studied about the how our earth is in trouble. So many reasons are there: air pollution and then global warming. We have already discussed about it. Okay, that is in the chapter. Okay, our earth is in trouble, right? So there we have seen how deforestation, then industrialization affect our environment, and due to this, how much problems we have to face. Now, just 1 minute. Okay, climate change. The changes the driving entire planet to danger global tipping point. Okay, so many problems we have faced, just like temperature is increased, then global warming, then increasing sea level, then flood, drought situation. So many problems we have now. Today now we are facing, right? So in this chapter, that is, let us save our earth. So here are some, we can't stop it, but we can minimize our problem by how. So here it is given in let us save our earth. Okay, it is about the environment, world and its people. Get it? All of us that our earth is in danger. Here are few ways by which we can save it. Unscrabble the letters in the bracket to get the correct word. So see here in the fill in the blanks, so we have given the unscrabble word. We have to write the right word there, and by completing this sentence we better know about the ways through which we can save our earth. So let's start. Okay, dash dash C dash dash means to preserve and protect the environment and the natural thing present in it. So what is it? It is a conservation. Okay, by conservation we can protect and preserve our environment. Then let's see the second one. R dash dash means reprocessing or reusing the waste material. That is recycling. So we can take a best example of plastic. So we can't destroy the plastic. Completely destroy is not possible. So what can we do? We can recycle it, reuse it, right? Then next thing, nature efficiently recycle its own waste, including the dead plants and animals. This helps by process known as D. It is decomposition. So I think in science, in a biology branch, you can study about this. When plants or animals dead, their bones decomposed and it is mixed with the what we say here, land or that salt, and so that all the chemicals once again mixed with that sand or this ground. Okay, so we can, and this decomposition process help in recycling the nature. Nowadays, in some part of the world, that free petrol is being used. So it is lead. Lead free petrol is being used a lot. Dash Dash is the among the world's largest organization working for the protection of wildlife and environment. Now, if you can see, so many wild animals are vanishing. That we can say their species or their numbers are goes on decreasing, such like tigers and so many beautiful birds and animals. They are becoming unique now. So why? Because definitely whether it may be environment or so many reasons are there. So to protect the wildlife and the environment, some funds are, so many organizations are working, and one among them is Worldwide Fund. So what is the fill in the blanks here? Worldwide Fund. So let's see here. Just 1 second. Huh? can we scroll it? Okay, I'm sorry, it is okay, fine. Can you see? It is World Wide Fund. Now next, 6. Some other ways to save Earth are as follows. So here are some ideas to save our Earth by following method. Save dash by switching off the lights when there is nobody present in a room. So we can save energy by switching off lights. So light is the source of it is the energy, or we can say there is a limits to generate the light energy, right? So we can't regenerate, or we can say can't increase the production of light energy, but we can save it, no? Right? So how can we save? When there is nobody in the present in the room, you can switch off the light, fan. Okay, it is not necessary, don't run the fan, right now. Then if no one is there, bulbs, tubes, we have to switch off it. Next, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. So it is about the water. So water, also we can save water by so many processes, so many not processes, so many small little precaution if we take that when you are brushing, when in the morning you are become so lazy and you are brushing, so what do people do? You are just open the tap and start brushing, so for 2 and 3 minutes the water falls on and it is of no use, so it is wastage of water na. So please don't do this. Okay, if it is not necessary, don't use buckets of water, you can shower it. So showering also minimize our water consumption. So many types are there, so many ideas are there so that we can save water. Okay, next thing that is, so here is tap. Okay, yeah, use bicycle or prefer to walk instead of using car for short trip. If you are going in a half a kilometer or near shop, so don't use a car or bike, you can go by walk or you can prefer bicycle. It gives you exercise also, right, and also save the petrol, right? No? Now next thing, do not use harmful dyes or detergent for washing clothes. So there are so many advertises you see on the television. Use this washing powder, use this liquids, use this soap. But if it is necessary, then and then only use the detergent. Okay, and there are some mild detergents you can use for washing the clothes. Now next, prefer to travel in carpool to school. You can save the petrol and also money consumption by using a car. Get it? So there are so many small things by which we can save a lot of energy, lot of water, and we can say light. Okay, also small things if we do, it may affect our environment, such like plant trees. Okay, don't cut the trees, or deforestation must be processed. Okay, then so many organizations are there which are working for the protection of wildlife, then environment, so help them. Okay, go through their processes, right, so that we can one by one, if we do it, we definitely save our earth. So think about it. Okay, so let's start our new chapter. Fine. Do you know why? So it is very interesting chapter. It is about the science. So I think everyone know that the scientists like Newton, Galileo, or so many scientists are thinking something different from the common people. That means why these things is happening. Okay, I'm sorry. Why these things are happening? Why? If Newton is sitting under the apple tree and the apple